Alam mo ba that you can cross the border of Singapore and Malaysia via train? Recently, we had our travel abroad and we really want to share a little discovery about how we crossed the border from Singapore to Johor Bahru, Malaysia. The last time that we crossed the border is around 2019 and nahasel lang kami kahit na naka-private transfer kami. Imagine, you need to go down the van twice para lang makapunta ka sa immigration ng Singapore and sa immigration ng Malaysia. This time, nang malaman namin na merong train going to Johor Bahru from Singapore, ayun yung pinili naming option. By the way, you can only book the KTMB train ticket via online or their app. Alam niyo ba that we can say that this is the best decision that we made? We took Grab going to Singapore Woodland Train Checkpoint. Tapos, akala namin meron doon bilihan ng mga train ticket. Yun pala, online na lahat. So, we took time to buy our tickets and then after nun, we waited for our time slot. Napaka-efficient ang aming cross-border experience kasi imagine, nung pinapasok na kami sa immigration area, dire-diretso na lahat. Nandun na yung Malaysia immigration and yung Singapore immigration. We just showed our passports, rode the train for around 5 to 7 minutes, and before we knew it, we were already in Malaysia. If you're traveling with your kids sa Singapore, okay na isama sa itinerary ang Legoland sa Johor Bahru. So yun lang, happy traveling!